Hi, my name is Kurt Steiner, and I am the CEO and founder of CharityHowTo and the CharityHowTo brands. We've gotten some feedback from some of you that you're saying, oh my gosh, we're missing some really great emails from you. And it turns out in some cases they're in the promotions folder in Gmail or even in the spam folder. If you don't interact enough with stuff, it can wind up going into the spam folder. So let's make sure we fix that. For those of you who do not know, we send lots of incredibly great emails about free, high quality trainings. In fact, 80% of our community benefit from our free trainings and resources. That's a lot, and we feel great about giving back to the community. So, if you don't want to miss that and incredible offers and sometimes exclusive discounts you can't get anywhere else, please do this. Go to the inbox, and now what you'll see here in Gmail is we'll click on the promotions tab. And if we look, we see an email from Malia here, and we don't want to miss this. So we're going to simply drag the Charity How To email over to the primary folder right here. And then down on the screen over here, we're going to see conversation moved to primary. Do this for future messages from Malia at Charity How To, and you absolutely want to click yes. So again, just slide it over into primary, click the yes button, and you're good to go. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and please interact with our emails so you get them. Bye.